Hey everybody, Sam back once again. I know it's been a while and I'm here to look at this today. So it's going to be a bit of a different video. So it's going to be an unboxing, kind of unboxing. It's going to kind of be a speed unboxing and build. And then I'm going to tell you what I think about the chair. You know, if it's comfy, if it's not. But the actual premise of it is that my wife's going to start unboxing it now. So she's going to start opening the box. And then she's going to be the one that builds it. They're thinking, Sam, you lazy bugger, why are you building it yourself? Well, the idea is to see whether or not these are easy to build or not. Now, my wife, she's 5 foot. She's tiny. As you can probably see, she's absolutely tiny. So we're going to see whether or not she can build one of these big gaming style chairs. Now, this is from GTRacing. Now, I'll actually put the full name on the screen for you here because it says GT Player, but I think they must have had a rebrand or something. So I will put the link down below and I say thank you to them for actually, you know, sending this out to me for the video today. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to get straight into it. She's going to start building it. And yeah, I'm going to speed it up, and at the end, I'll tell you how long it took her, and we'll see if it's comfy or not. So you ready for this? Okay, let's do it. Right, so as you can see, she's got it all out of the box, and now we're going to see whether we can actually figure out which part is which part. Now, it is pretty self-explanatory as you go through the instructions. As you can see, she's actually looking at the instructions now. And we're just going to show you some of it. So as you can see here, this is the actual back part of the actual chair itself. And on top of there, if my wife wants to show her, is actually the cushion. So you get like a little cushion for your back, or I think you can actually put it up to your head as well. So if we take it all out of the plastic, we can then take a look at some of the stuff as well now. So we'll take it all out of the plastic and we'll come straight back. Right, so as you can see, she's finally got it all unpacked. There's a hell of a lot of plastic there. So you can see here, I'll actually show you really quickly. Here's the actual back part of the actual chair itself, if my wife wants to show you. So there's the actual back part. And as you see this, we'll go on to the bottom, which is the actual seat part. So if you want to have a look at this quick seat part as well here. And you're thinking, what the hell is that in her hand? That is the actual footrest. It actually extends out. So hopefully it's going to be comfortable. We'll soon see. And then we've got the actual base of it. So that's where the wheels are going to go on it. We've got some more pads, the arms and the lift and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyway, what we're going to do now is this is part where we're going to go completely silent pretty much. And I'm just going to time lapse it. Might jump in here or there if there's a little bit of a confusion and need to kind of help a little bit. But hopefully she'll be able to build it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. You ready for this, Mahal?
Yep.
All right, go let's. See you soon, guys.
Sorry, I have to laugh. I don't know where this goes. It go here.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. It's that one. I'm right. I'm gonna cry. Why do they have to make it so hard? I've never built a flipping chair before.
Right guys, so as you can see, we're almost there. On a scale of 1 to 10 so far, Belvic, how would you say that it's gone?
It's gone good. Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
So she thinks it's been an 8 out of 10.
For me.
Honestly, watching her and seeing her struggle with it, it's not an 8. But anyway, I'll reserve until it's fully built. She's done a fantastic job. And again, this should really probably be a 2-person team. But this is a test to see whether or not a tiny 5-foot Filipina can build
It's my
a
first
chair.
time.
And this is the first time she's ever built a chair. So yeah. Anyway, we'll be right back. Right, so we're currently at a stage now where she's not reading the instructions. It does say to put the chair on top of the lift. So let's see if my my lovely wife does this. You okay with it? As you can see, there we go. I think she might have got it.
Yep,
So all she needs to do now, if she sits on it, hopefully it doesn't disintegrate. Okay. Now just jump up and down on it a little bit. There we go. Cool, right, so we'll put the finishing touches and I'll come back with a bit of a review as to how it feels and how comfy it is. So okay guys, I'll be back in a minute. Right everyone, so as you can see here, the actual chair is finally fully built. So we actually get the headrest here, so just kind of pulls out a little bit. Don't really maneuver around as much, it's just kind of static. And then you get the little lumbar support. So my wife's just going to show you that you can actually go up and down. So you want to show us that please now, Mahal? There we go. And you can go back down. There we go. So no matter kind of like where your arc is in your back or whatever it might be, you can kind of have it exactly where you'd like it. So now what she's going to do, she's actually going to demonstrate some of the main aspects of the chair. So if you want to just show us what you think of the chair. So in terms of how are the arms, you know, how comfortable are they?
Comfy for me.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable would you say they are?
I think 9.
A 9? See, I've sat in the chair and I personally think they're about a 3. I'm not a massive fan of the arms. They're not very comfortable. They're not very foamy. It's just kind of like a bit of plastic with a little bit of foam on them. I don't personally like it, but she does, so that's okay. So they actually go up and down. So if one of us just shows it really quickly. Like a little latch, goes up, or goes down should I say, and goes back up. And then if, underneath you, this is the cool thing about it, I do like this, there's actually a place to put your legs. So if you just kind of spread your legs a little bit, pull it out, and then job done. You can kind of sit back, relax. How comfortable is that?
Comfy.
How comfy?
Very comfy.
There we go. So that's pretty comfortable on that one. Personally for me, I'm a little bit too big for this in all honesty. It just feels like it's going to break. But I'm a bit more of a larger guy. For someone of my wife's size, it's perfect. Really, really perfect. Probably somebody a bit bigger as well. Now what we're going to show you is actually how it goes back. So if you just want to twiddle it around, I'll leave that please. So if we're going to show you, there's like a little arm there. So she just pushes it back a little bit. It kind of goes back. Now it's not really comfortable because of the lumbar support. So what we're going to do, actually going to take the lumbar support off and then going to come back to it. So 2 seconds. Right, so as you can see, we've actually removed it. So my wife's going to get back into the chair and she actually finds it more comfortable without that lumbar support on the back of there. So she kind of sits in it, kick back, and then if you just kind of turn around, then you can actually show us how it goes back. And if you get ready for it, kind of pull it, push, and then boom. So if she puts her legs all the way forward, and boom, it's like a little sofa. Well, not a sofa, it's like a little like a little sleeping thing for her. How comfortable is that one then?
Comfy.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I think this is 10.
Wow.
I can sleep.
So again, I tried this one. Again, not really designed for someone that's bigger than normal, let's say. So as I was saying, if you're an average person, it's probably going to be okay for you. But if you're a larger variety, so I'd probably say if you're 5'10" or above, it might not be long enough for you because your legs are going to significantly hang over the edge. As you can see, my wife, she's only 5 foot, and that's where the feet go. So with me being 6'1", my feet are like out over here. So it feels a little off balance. I'm not the biggest fan of that part. But hey, that's just me personally. You know, your mileage may vary. So yeah. But that's it, people. That's the unboxing, the build, which was probably longer than we probably thought it was going to be. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy was it for you to build it, Mahal?
Well, at first, it was 3.
So first it was a 3.
But then, in the middle, it was like 7, 8.
So it wasn't that hard to build?
No.
No? That's good to hear.
It wasn't hard.
No, that's cool. And in terms of the overall comfort and actual, you know, quality of it, how, again, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you say how comfy is it for you?
The comfort is 9.
Wow, 9. And the overall build quality, does it feel solid? Does it feel like it's going to last for a while?
I don't know. I think it will last for a while.
No, not on a scale of 1 to 10.
Probably 8.
Oh, that's good. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
My personal opinions on it, I'd probably say it's probably a solid 7 out of 10 in terms of the build quality. Comfort, probably for me, again, being a bit of a different size guy, probably like a 5. And the overall kind of quality of the materials is probably about 7. And it's got a big downgrade again because of those arms. I'm not a massive fan of those arms. But yeah. So once again, recommendations, if you're kind of average to smallish size, perfect chair for you. To regards to the footrest, the footrest coming out, kind of going back, everything about that is bloody fantastic. But yeah, there we go. As you can see, she's happy again. She's probably going to get this chair. How happy would you be if this is your chair?
I will be very happy.
So she said she's going to be very happy. Anyway, people, I'm now going to go. Again, a bit of a different video, a bit of a different kind of take on these kind of unboxings and whatnot. Sorry for a bit of the mess here or there. Yeah. And it's bloody boiling tonight. So I'm sweating me. Yeah. Anyway, people, if you have any questions regards this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up in a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Go on, smash the like button. I know you want to. And go on, subscribe. What is it, Mahal? Is it free?
Free!
Anyway, people, thanks for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. You might even see my wife in my next video. Cheers, everyone.